Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to do some Jamaican French fried chicken, the same chicken that you call deep fried chicken elsewhere. That I trim away the fats, leave the skin intact, and then I wash them with vinegar and water. You can use lemon or lime, and you can even use flour to wash the chicken. And then I put to drain, and then I use a piece of paper towel to pat dry the excess water, because I do not like to season my meat when water settled at the bottom of the container. So now I am going to season the chicken. So now I am going to use some spices. Now if you are going to try my recipe, you don't have to use the spices that I use. You don't have to use the amount that I use, but I like when my meat is well seasoned. So first thing, I am going to add some salt. Some all-purpose. You can use a teaspoon or probably a teaspoon of everything. I don't measure ingredients. I am going to use some seasoned salt. Garlic powder. Complete seasoning. And this is some all-purpose seasoning, and this is the first time I am using this brand. It was sent to me to try out, so see, it's the first time using it. It was sent to me for me to try out and give a review on it. I will do that in a later video. And I'm going to use some paprika. So that's basically all the spices that I will use. Seems like a lot, it's not a lot. I like when my meat is well seasoned. Yeah, well seasoned and nice. So I am also gonna add just a tablespoon of green seasoning to give it that extra kick. And this is homemade green seasoning. I only use homemade green seasoning, by the way. I don't use the store-bought ones. I made my own green seasoning. So I'm gonna cover this and allow it to marinate in the fridge for about marinate. Gonna allow it to marinate in the fridge for I think 30 minutes. This is optional for a lot of people, but it is not optional for me. I like when my meat is soaked with seasoning. So I will be right back. This is 2 eggs that have been sitting at room temperature for about 15 minutes. Now this is really optional, but I like adding milk to it. Oops. So this is about maybe 4 tablespoons of milk, and it is cow's milk. So what I'm going to do is to whip everything together. So the eggs are well beaten with the milk. it there. So this is 1 cup of flour that I spread out in this container. So to the flour, I am just gonna add just a small amount of all-purpose, not a lot because I already use different spices to season the chicken. So I'm just gonna combine the flour and the spice together. So you can see what is going on right now because this space is so small that I have to work with. So this is a deep fryer and it is set at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to pour enough oil into it, enough oil to cover the chicken pieces. So I'm going to allow the oil to become hot a bit. So now I am gonna add, this is half of 1 onion, 1 green hot pepper, and 3 cloves of garlic. I am using hot pepper because it has more flavor and less heat than the ripe one. So I'm gonna add it to the oil. And that is to basically just flavor the oil. So in the meantime, I am going to remove just a little of the green seasoning. You don't have to remove everything, just a little bit. You can smell the herbs infusing in the oil. Remove the herbs from the oil before they start to burn. So I hope you can see what is going on here. So now, like I said, the space is so small to work with. Because the light, the natural light is coming from this window. A bigger space is over there, but not so much with the natural light. Okay, so I'm gonna drench each piece of chicken into the flour mixture. And I'm going to ensure that I coat it properly. Set that there. Now this fryer is very small, so I'm going to see if it can hold more than, say, 3 pieces of chicken. Let's see. Okay, so now I'm gonna shake off the excess flour, and I'm gonna add it to the fryer. No, it can only hold 2 pieces of chicken. I'm gonna put this one in the meantime. It's a bit dark, so I hope you can see what's going on. I'm gonna allow this to fry for like 10-12 minutes.
We're famous for a lot of things, you know. Not just sports and music, but jelly, sugarcane and them something there. All who represent for the outer one, many people. They